Haldi, also known as turmeric, it's a spice. If you want to grow haldi at your top roof garden, first of all take some raw haldi from bazaar. Set aside at least 10 to 12 days. Then the roots will arise like this and sow them into the soil and add some fertilizer. Just like this, leaf will arise soon. After 1 week, leaf will start growing bigger and bigger. Haldi used in food and as medicinal practice also. It's amazing to think about how something so valuable can grow right in your own garden. Haldi thrives in tropical climate with a lot of rainfall. Another challenge is dealing with pests and disease that target haldi plants. Keep an eye out for any unusual changes in the leaves or stem, and knowing how to treat common issues can save your plants. Goodbye till the next video. See you soon.